The Prince about to take the stage had a small taste of this royal experience a few years ago. And he is new and improved and ready to prove himself this season. So get ready for Kaama!
Kaama again. Big up Pop Wireless, big up Fabulous Photo Studio. And them say Kaama. Judges, good night. Me did one in body girl, you know. Me no know for the polyester. No know for the polyester. You ever meet some girl yet, brother? You have to wonder about them coming like clothes. Me no know for the polyester or the silk. No know for the nylon or the twill. But she's a material girl. Mood a wife her, but me fear when might happen. Cause the cat is start move like a cotton. She's a material. Listen, look. She's tailor-made, authentic. Shot close for show off her parts and hips, and she no cater about love. She just want know the Kyle them where you spend tick. She be wine till it broke, but not if you broke. All if you dead, she will take it too. She no give up. She's all for the money, all for the bucks. So if you fall in love, well I hear bad love about polyester and no silk. No know for the nylon or the twill, but she's a material girl. Mood a wife her, but me fear when might happen. Cause the cat just a move like a cat. She's a ever meet a material girl yet, brother? Let me whine about them. Listen. Brother, don't try 15. She a know your size. Listen to me foolish advice. Cause she will make you feel like she deep in her love. Then cut before you realize. She no want cook, she rather chicken and the fries. And forget your things, she will tell a bag of lies. And all if you know one good sexually, we make her feel like she will make a little lies. No know for the polyester or the silk or the nylon. Stop it, calm down.
No man. Kaama, Kaama! Sure. Now, Kaama, as I mentioned in your introduction, you are not new to this stage. So tell us how you plan to take full advantage of this second chance that have been given to you. Tell me, not answer.
Well, the long and short of it, no lapses, just high performances right through. Every Saturday, we just come do it, you know what I mean? They got Be Shore Park, Fabulous Photo Studio, Pop Wireless. Tico, you think shot tonight. Champion boy. Come.
I know they just went.